Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about LG 27GR95UM-B 27-inch 4K gaming LCD. So friend, LG introduced the 27GR95UM-B, a 27-inch 4K gaming LCD with impressive specification. This gaming monitor, announced by LG Electronics, South Korea's tech giant, on 18 December, utilizes a nano IPS panel and features a mini LED backlight with local dimming support, and the monitor incorporates a mini LED backlight with an impressive 1560 dimming zones. And this advanced backlight technology ensures enhanced contrast and image quality. It boasts a white color gamut covering 99.5% of the DCI-P3 color space, and this results in vibrant and accurate color representation for an impressive gaming experience. And for connectivity, it offers versatile connectivity options including 2 HDMI port, 1 DisplayPort, 4-port audio terminal, and additionally, the built-in speakers deliver 7W by 2 of audio output. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.